Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix Shopify products not showing up in the collections page. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and first let's go to our live website. So from here, just click online store and then click view your store. And then we will go to our collections page. So if I go right here to all collections, I have here a catalog of collections from my website. So for example, if I go right here to the apparel collection, I have this products right here, but there is a missing product. So the simple reason why the product is not here is because it is not listed in the collection. So from here, we just need to double check the collection and make sure the collection is there. So from here, we can go back to our dashboard, click products, and then click collections. So from here, click apparel, since this is the collection that we opened earlier. And then we can see the collections right here. So from here, I have a bunch of different t-shirts. And then if I want to add more products right here, what we need to do is that we need to browse. And then we can go ahead and navigate our products right here to see what is missing. So this one is missing the colored short sleeve t-shirt. So we just need to select this, and then we can go ahead and click done so that it will be added right here to the collection. And then from here, we can just reload this one. And then we should now see the colored short sleeve t-shirts right here in the collections page. What we can also do is that we can change the placement of the product. So for example, right now, the first product is the colored short sleeve t-shirts. So this is because the arrangement is sorted by the best selling product. So we can change this if you want. So for example, it's either you want to have an alphabetical arrangement, and then when I reload the collection page, it will now be arranged alphabetically. We can also sort it to reverse alphabetical order, then it will be sorted in reverse alphabetical order. So you have a bunch of different choices right here: highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, and you can also sort them manually. So you can go ahead and arrange the products to however you like. And then when we reload this, it will reflect the manual order of your products. So this is the simple reason why the collection, or I mean the product, is not visible in the collection page. So another thing that you can do, instead of manually putting the products right here, what you can have is a manual, or I mean a smart collection. So from here, let's go back to collections and then click add collection. So from here, the collection type that we had earlier is the manual collection, which means that we manually put the products that we want to have in that collection. And then another thing is that we can also use smart collection. So from here, we can have conditions where we can put certain conditions to our products, and then they will be put in the collection automatically instead of manually inserting them one by one. So for example, right here, you can use different conditions like tag, price, compared price, weight, title, type, and so on and so forth. So right now, I want to use tag. And then you can also see right here if the tag is equal to or is not equal to. It depends on your preference, but I prefer this one that is equal to. So that means I can put any product in here that has a specific tag. So for example, I will put any product right here that has the shirt as a tag, and then click save. So we need a title first. We need to put a title. I'll put shirts. So from here, we can now go ahead and save this smart collection. And then there are no products yet in this collection since we need to have tags for our products. So let's go right here to the products, and then let's insert some tags. So right now I'm in the colored short sleeve t-shirts. I can go right here to tags, and then I can put the shirt tag right here so that it will be added to the smart collection. So now the product is saved. Let's go ahead and go to a different product. I'll choose this one, the linen summer shirt. Add the tag right here. Click save. Go back right here. Add another product to the shirt tag. Click save. Go to another product. Just this one, the blue Oxford shirt. Then do the same thing. Add the shirt tag right here. So now we have a bunch of products that has the shirt tag. So our smart collection should now have the products that we have just listed earlier. So now, as you can see, we have 3 products in the shirts collection. And these are the products that we added earlier, which is this one, the colored short sleeve t-shirts, the linen summer shirt, and then the checkered casual shirt. So from here, we can reload the collections page. And then let's open the shirts collection. So it is right here. Then we can see the products added right here. And then that is basically it. So those are the ways that we can do to fix the products not showing up in the collections page. You just need to double check if the certain product is inside your collection, and if it is using a manual or smart collection type. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.